Hi everybody, today's video is how to work with pictures within Microsoft Word. If I need to add a picture, I will place my cursor in the position where I want to add my picture, where I want to insert my picture. And from insert, from pictures, I have to choose whether I need to add my picture from my device, if I have a copy of the picture on my device, or to add an online picture. I have a picture on my device, so I will choose this device. You can find out where is your picture and then choose the picture and insert. The picture is inserted. So from here, I can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Here we have picture style. So I can choose any style. You can see the preview at the back. I will choose this style. Picture border if you need to add a border around the picture. But because we choose a style with a soft edge, we won't see the border. But if we choose another picture with a border, and then I will choose a picture border and add a color, now the border is clear. I will go back to this style. Picture effects are the same as shape effects. We have some preset effects that we can use. Shadow to add a shadow. We have many styles of shadow. Reflection is to add a reflection. We can also add a glue or soften the edges of the picture or apply a bevel effect. Every option here has its no option, which is used to remove this option when applied. For example, if we added a shadow, we can remove it by shadow, no shadow. If we added a reflection, we can remove it by reflection, no reflection. I will remove this reflection, and the same for the other options. Here we have wrap text. In wrap text, the default option is in line with text, which is the normal case of our picture. And this in line with text means it is a part of the text. If you try to move it, you will hardly move it. Square, tight, and through. The three will wrap the text around the picture from top, bottom, left, and right. The difference is how the text is wrapped around the picture. Let's choose a square. So it wraps text around the picture in a square shape. And now the picture, any option other than the inline with text will allow you to move the picture freely, as you can see. Tight, the text is wrapped around the picture. The same as through. Top and bottom, the text will be at the top and bottom of the picture. Behind text, the picture will be sent to behind text. In front of text, the picture will cover the text, will be in front of the text. We can use edit wrap points by using this tiny black square. You can drag them to formulate the text wrap around the picture. Remember, when I select the picture, I can see the picture format. But if I click outside the picture, I couldn't see the picture format tab. From here, we can change the color or adjust the colors of the picture. I will drag it here so we can see the preview. You have many color options. Artistic effect will add an artistic effect to the picture, like this, for example, this, or any other artistic effect. Transparency will apply transparency to the picture. And there are several degrees of transparency. For example, if you need to send the picture behind the text and you set it transparent, you can increase its size like this to be like a background. And you can increase the transparency degree. I will apply to one bottom. If you want to revert all the changes for the picture, you can use reset picture. I will decrease its size. So now the picture return it back to its original state. You have some corrections you can use for the picture, like brightness and the contrast. If you need to get rid of part of the picture, you can use the crop option. Once you get these, everyone will be used to crop a part of the picture. For example, this will crop apart from this corner. This will crop apart from the bottom. It doesn't decrease the size of the picture, it cuts parts of the picture. And here you can see rotate. I will add another picture from online resource. So I placed my cursor here, and from insert pictures, online pictures, and here we have more options, more variations of the pictures. Now the pictures are categorized. You can choose the category of the picture, or you can search for a picture from here. Let's use this thank you picture. You can select one or more like this, and then insert. Here are the thank you pictures are added to my file, to my document. I can apply the same formatting that we just applied from a while. I will wrap it the square, and I will wrap this to square. I just want to be able to move it freely, and I will take this picture here. Now, a picture is covered by the other one. We can use bring forward and bring backward to change the order of the pictures. For example, this picture is at the front. Bring forward will bring it forward. If there is another picture before it, it will bring it forward one step. Bring to front will bring the picture to the front of all other pictures. Or we can use send backward. We'll send it backward one step. And here we have send to back to send it to the back of all the pictures. So I will send it backward. Now the other picture is to the front. We can select both of them. I selected the first one, and then I hold the control key from the keyboard. Now both are selected. From here, you can group the two pictures. Now the two pictures become only one picture. We can ungroup them. From here, ungroup. You need to click anywhere outside the group, and then you can grab any one of them. Now they are released, ungrouped. That's it. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.